The young woman walks into court with her head held high, rolling her eyes, smirking, and acting as if she owns the place. Her body language screams one thing: defiance. To her, the courtroom isn't a place of law and order, it's just another stage where she can perform her attitude. But what she doesn't realize is that a courtroom is one of the few places where attitude has the least power. Here, the rules are clear, the stakes are real, and the judge has the final word. The case at hand appears to revolve around a landlord-tenant dispute, possibly even squatting. That alone sets the stage for tension. On one side, you have the property owner asserting their legal rights. On the other, someone who feels entitled to stay without following the rules. Instead of showing humility or at least respect, the defendant doubles down with mockery. Every eye roll, every smirk, every dismissive glance becomes fuel for the courtroom drama. And then comes the turning point. Judges are trained to spot behavior that threatens the dignity of the court. They know when someone is testing boundaries, and they are quick to act. In this moment, the judge steps in, not with anger, but with the calm and firm authority that only a courtroom can demand. The smirk is wiped away in an instant. The defendant who walked in smug and untouchable suddenly finds herself stripped of that shield. Because in court, arrogance holds no weight. This is why videos like this resonate so strongly with audiences. They are built on a story arc that everyone recognizes, the arrogant rise followed by the satisfying fall. Viewers are not just watching a legal dispute, they are watching a lesson in humility play out in real time. There's a deep sense of satisfaction in seeing someone who mocks authority forced to face reality. It's what some call instant justice. But it's also important to pause and think critically. The video is clearly framed to make the young woman look as bad as possible. Calling her an entitled brat in the title primes viewers to judge her harshly before the video even begins. What we don't see are the layers behind the case, what led her to act that way, what pressures or frustrations she might have faced, or whether the landlord's behavior was entirely fair. By the time the editing is done, all of that nuance is stripped away, leaving us with a simple hero vs villain narrative. Still, one truth stands unshaken: a courtroom demands respect. No matter what your personal story is, rolling your eyes or mocking a judge will never strengthen your case. In fact, it usually ensures the opposite. Authority in a courtroom is not up for negotiation. Judges have both the responsibility and the power to maintain order, and anyone who challenges that power quickly finds out just how little tolerance there is for disrespect. The broader lesson here is bigger than just this one defendant. It's about how we carry ourselves in serious situations. Confidence can help, but arrogance can destroy. There's a line between standing up for yourself and showing contempt, and once you cross it, especially in a legal setting, the consequences are swift. For viewers, that's the ultimate takeaway. The smug smile that turns into shock is more than just entertainment, it's a reminder. Rules matter. Respect matters. And when you forget that, life has a way of wiping the smirk off your face.